Good day, Cheryl.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Cheryl Bulyos, 33 years old, single mom with one daughter.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, thoughtful, obedient, hardworking person, and God-fearing.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family financially and save my future.
Who will take care of your kids if you come to Hong Kong?
My sisters take care of my daughter.
Please tell about your working experience.
I'm going in Saudi Arabia year 2023. I finished my contract and I will come year 2025.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a children and a newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check the baby's diapers dirty and I will change it. And I will also check the baby is hungry and I will feed the baby. I also check the baby's temperature. If the baby is sick, I will inform my employers immediately.
What will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them to play or sing a song for them.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will focus to my work and my employers if needed me.
Do you have full consent of your husband, parents, or family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a family problem, what would you do? Go home or send financial support?
I will send financial support for them.
Are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employer will pay you as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverages?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have your own dogs and cat in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I have one tattoo in left hands. I have one in right hands. I have one tattoo in knee.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operations or any serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give us a short message for your employer to hire you.
Hi, ma'am and sir. My name is Cheryl Bulyos. Please choose me to be your housemaid. I am very much willing to work in your house. I am very hard-working person, trustworthy and obedient. I will promise to treat you and your kids as my own family. I will also follow all of your instruction. Please choose me and hope see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you very much and God bless.